As we are planning our future shop, we're looking at our existing tools and tools we might need in the future. We're evaluating everything, up and including the possibility of moving it to only 2 battery systems. We have not made that decision yet, but we're very seriously considering only keeping 2 battery systems for our shop. To that end, looking to purchase some new tools, we are considering some battery big tools, for example, table saws and miter saws and planers, or even hybrid tools that we can use with batteries or we can use by plugging them in. I have a Hercules hybrid vacuum which I totally enjoy, and I think it's a great solution that makes the tool much more usable and alleviates any possibility that you will not be able to finish a project. So stick around. Hello friends, and welcome to another fun episode at the Urban Homesteading channel. We did a thing, didn't we, Elpida?
We did a thing.
We bought a tool that we wanted to buy for a long time. And here it is. What do you think of our new saw, Mrs. DIY?
That's awesome. We can make dollhouse furniture with that.
We even made a special, what do you call that, bench just for that saw, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at the quality of the cut. Look at this. Amazing, right?
Yeah.
And how quiet it is. The operation is absolutely stunning.
This saw.
It's amazing, the dream. Right? This is a dream saw.
Yes, it is.
Most amazing thing we ever owned. Now, that's not what we did buy this some time ago, but that's not what we want to talk to you about. In a couple of episodes ago, I think we talked to you about a saw that Elpida wanted to get for a long time, right?
Yep.
We found a good sale price on it, and we got it. So let us show it to you. So this is the saw that was purchased recently. We have not used it yet. Everything you're about to see will be first time for us, so there might be a lot of silliness and we don't know what we're doing. Because guess, we do not know what we're doing with this saw, right?
Right.
We have played with it in the store, but that's the extent of it. But we are all excited to see what it can bring for us. And boy, do we have batteries for it. Look at
Yeah.
all these are Hercules batteries.
All of those,
Yep.
including
And there are 3 more that are out on items.
including these two that are brand new
Yep.
at the end.
Those are 8 milliamp batteries, right?
Yep.
All right, so it is time to start opening.
Hi, supervisor. Are you here to help?
Here.
You are?
You start by getting rid of the plastic. That is step 1, right?
Yep.
This will be the most amazing unboxing video you've ever experienced, boys and girls. I had to wait a week before we opened this,
Yep.
because other projects were in the queue. So now, dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun.
Jamesy, you're very excited for the saw too,
Why wouldn't he be?
right?
Oh, styrofoam.
Our favorite.
And a manual.
Instructions. Filtration system.
And wood
Clamp.
holder wrapping.
A clamp.
And who also has a wood holder wrapping. And the saw itself, my God, is huge.
Yes, it is.
That's what she said.
Let's take one at each. Ooh. All
Here
right.
it is in its glory, guys. Now this is the saw. Wow.
Yeah, I'm excited. We gotta
And as you can see, it drastically increased our cutting capacity, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before we're limited to about 6 inches or 8 inches. I don't
About
remember.
8, I think.
This is much more than 8. That's what she said.
Yes. Very smooth operation here.
Well, we hope so.
And this one has dual bevels. It can go
Right.
either direction, plus it has
Dual miters.
dual miters.
So you can bevel and miter to your heart's content, right? And do you want to move it forward and backward?
Is it locked?
It's probably locked.
Locked.
Try it again.
There we go.
Smooth.
Yes.
And we have now a very substantial amount of cutting area.
Yep. It's nice.
And where do the batteries go?
It has a really nice fence too.
Yeah, I like the fence.
Tall.
And here is the batteries. Oh, she wants to run it.
So here's the batteries. The bigger ones we bought.
So in essence, it's a 40 volt. So because it takes 220 batteries.
2 20-volt batteries.
Right.
Just feels like they're crooked for some reason.
Let's do a little louder. Just showing the. This one there.
There you go.
Well, friends, this is our new saw, the new addition to the saw, which continues getting smaller and smaller before we can build the other one. And we hope you enjoy it. We plan to potentially get down 2 battery systems. And with this purchase, it looks like Hercules will be one of the 2. Because that represents the batteries alone is a substantial investment. Now, we can use them with everything, but
So the batteries are interchangeable among all the tools.
Yes, and the charger are, which was one of the reasons we bought it, because we had batteries already,
Right.
but it made sense to buy the bigger batteries. And actually, they even have 12 amp. We didn't buy the bigger size. But very, very pleased with this.
So again, we purchased this on our own. They did not give it to us, but so far we've been pleased with Hercules tools. And this
if you
is
want
what,
to refund us, Harbor Freight,
yeah,
we will accept the check.
yeah. And this is something I've been looking at for quite a long time. So I'm super excited.
Whatever the fault was is done.
Yeah, we finally got the batteries all in correctly.
Except I cannot turn it off.
Yeah, that button is a little finicky, but okay.
All right, excellent. It'd be nice if it was an AI show. We just say, build us a table.
Yeah,
Go have coffee, come back, the table is done.
sure.
Now that would be AI.